Welcome back to another video. So we have over here a spoiler gear. Keep in mind that this is a step file and this was loaded within CATIA, and I want to showcase the difference and importance of the options. So under tools, options, we're going to have underneath display, performance, this 3D accuracy. Now by default, CATIA will have a value of 0.1. This is for a fresh install, and you're going to see that with those settings, we're going to have the following profile over here. So we see how that is a lot more smoother, this inner circle over here as well. If I will also enable the shading, it will look like this. The settings that I left over here, so if I'm just going to add over here 100 as an example, we're going to see that it will be out of that range. So if I'm going to add 10, this will be within that allowed range. And again, we're going to see how those will be deformed over here. Now, I would recommend to go for a value of 0.01 in this case, and that will give you the best accuracy. Now, depending on the complexity of the model, you may encounter a little bit of slowdown within the viewport, but usually this is a recommended value over here. We're also going to have over here the 2D accuracy, and for that, I usually set it to 0.02. So this is why it's important to always make sure that on a fresh install, you're going to deal with these settings, because otherwise things will look a little bit deformed in this case. And we see that this is actually a cylindrical cutout. And with those settings, it will actually look like we have a hexagon cutout over here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side. And I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.